What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with more tech, more reviews. This time we're looking at some of the best clear cases that you can get for your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So let's check them out.
For old time's sake.
So the first one we're going to look at is by the company Armadillo Tech. Now, if you notice, this one is more like a bumper style. This is the Vanguard series. It's nice, clear coating. And once you actually get it onto the device, it looks really good. It feels good in the hand. There are no issues with it. If you can see, you have your Armadillo Tech logo on there. Nice rubberized grip on the side so it doesn't slip out of your hands. Then all your cutouts match up perfectly, and all of our buttons line up and they feel nice and tactile. Has hard edges, and the camera sits in a nice recess. Next up, we have the Atomic Slim. Now this is by the company Ghostek, and this is the Covert 4, also by Ghostek. Now the Covert 4 is more of a bumper style, kind of flexible, has a kickstand on the back, and the Atomic Slim 3 is actually a hard style. No issues with that. You're going to get nice and protected from the scratches and scuffs and breaks. And then once you get it on, this is what it looks like. So you got your buttons on the side right here, feeling nice and tactile. All of our cutouts line up really nicely. And then if you look right here on those edges, they're nice and hard. They're going to protect against all kind of scrapes and scratches and bumps. These cases have been military drop tested, so they are approved with nice hard backing. Camera is going to sit down in a nice recess, so it's going to protect that glass and all those lenses that you have back there. Now looking at the Covert 4, you actually have a Ghostek logo right there in the back and the bottom. And there's the kickstand with the Ghostek logo on it. And once you get it on, this is what it looks like. So it feels really good. All the cutouts match up on the bottom. Our buttons on the side feel nice and tactile. And kickstand, nice and sturdy. It's going to hold that phone at any angle. It will not stand up in a vertical, so you have to use this in the landscape mode. And the camera sits right there. Now the camera groove is right there at the camera, so you may not have as much protection, but it's still a good protective case because of the nice raised bumpers on the edge. This is the Covert 4 by Ghostek. Next up, we have the Saviour series by Schnail. Now, if you notice, this one has a nice clear backing. It comes in several different colors. You can get a red, you can get a iridescent color like this one, the rainbow. Nice hard edges, nice cutout for the camera. Now, what we want to do is actually put this on the device itself, and this is what you get. Nice hard backing, nice rubberized edges. Feels good in the hand. It's slip resistant. You get the Snail logo in the bottom, the back. All of our cutouts match up down bottom. And if you notice, the speaker grill is facing the side right there, so you can have easy access to your speaker, easy listening. Our buttons line up nice, feel nice and tactile. And the camera is protected right there behind that deep groove, so there are no issues with the camera bump. This is the Saviour series from the company Schnail. Next up, one of my favorite cases. This is the Aries by the company Iblazon. Now, Aries has two separate pieces. You have a front as well as a back. You're going to just separate those, and then you'll drop your phone in. Get nice clear backing. You get hard rubberized edges. If you look at that camera, sits down in that recess. It's going to protect that lens, and you have those hard rubberized edges right there that stick out as well. All of our cutouts down bottom match up, and our charging port is covered by a flap. You get your Iblazon logo right there on the side, and everything looks good. They're always sturdy cases by the company Iblazon. I've been using them for years, and I really enjoy the protection that they provide. Always, the camera looks good behind the case. The clear coating never turns yellow or anything. Just all around great case for you to rock with. And they also offer great customer service. So one of the companies I stand behind 100%. I've had no issues with them or any of their products whatsoever. So guys, that's it. You have the Saviour series by the company Schnail. And then you have the Atomic Slim 3 by Ghostek, followed by Vanguard series for the company Armadillo Tech. You have the Covert 4 by the company Ghostek with the kickstand on the back, magnetic kickstand. And then you have the Aries by i-Blason. These are all for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and they also come for the other models as well, the Plus and the standard model. So I'm going to be doing reviews on all these cases just to show you guys how they look, what they look like. All come in separate colors, so go by their website and check them out. I'm going to link all these down below. But until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.